So, Dandy's M14Oi is now fully equipped with a Sambos package. Michelin pilot support force to the rear with a bespoke four-wheel alignment. Overall, road stability is significantly improved. I mean, putting power down from first gear and second gear, I don't think you'll get any better results than this. Guys, so we've got another M14Oi in for the same setup, fast road setup with a little bit of a twist. We want to aid the traction as much as possible, which is why we'd recommend this setup. You know where to find us at Sambos Tyres, 306 to 312 High Road, London N22 8JR.